look at this, guys. We can go and look into some campers. Let's go see this one. Alright, let's go into this one. Oh, there's a small one. Here's the bed. Couch. Whoop. A little kitchen area. 2 more bunks. Pretty cool. And teeny tiny bathroom. And shower. Let's go see the other ones. Here's another one. Looks a little bigger. Let's go in. Oh, already. Fridge. Seating. And bed. Stove. Really cool. And let's see the bathroom. Boom. A little cuter. Cabinets. And shower. Oh, this one's really big. Let's go on in. Oh, already. There's a couch. Dining area. Oh, romantic. Fireplace. TV. Nice kitchen. And bathroom. Really cute. And then, where's the bedroom? There it is. Awesome. Here's the Catalina. That's a biggie. Let's go in. Ooh, that's a pretty one. There you go. A table. Nice little kitchen area. We're looking for a house, and these campers are nicer than some of the things we've seen. Queen beds. Romantic fireplaces. Bathrooms with a closet. Oh, no. It's Jack and Jane. Here's the master bedroom primary. Coolio. Oh my goodness, here's the last one. I'll be jealous of this, I'm pretty sure. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Kitchen area. Sofas. TV.
We have a bigger one if you need it.
Oh my god. It's gorgeous.
Have all the looks you want.
Thank you.
If you have any questions, let me know.
Yes, I will. Everyone is so friendly here at Wooodstock. Here's the bathroom. That's all we want in our house. And master bedroom. And voila. Awesome. This is awesome. Beautiful.